Hello dear Pisces, welcome to my channel and this is your last week exclusive love reading plus career reading. This is going to last from 25th of August to the 31st. So if you have a question on your mind, do ask it so that you can get your reading and your questions answered in this reading. Let's begin with your career. You have got the astronomer card and the completed world. I do see that in your career you have been very nicely balancing your life, right? A work life balance is there. I also see that you're uh, taking care of your home, the sick ones very well, your own health very well, your work very well. So I do see that you have worked very hard, right? And you are going to be rewarded this week. You've got the card of completed world, which talks about a sense of completion, a sense of contentment, a sense of happiness coming your way. I also see that in the past, if you felt incomplete regarding your life, like money is not so much, or profit is not coming, or promotion is not coming, or growth is not there, this week you are going to get some reward, some positive news, which is going to make you very, very happy. So you will be very happy with the success, the abundance, the money that you're getting, and it's definitely going to make you whole again, make you feel complete again. A lot of you can get new jobs, a lot of you can get new promotions, better salary this week. So yes, be prepared because you are going to feel very happy this week. Okay, very content wherever you are, whether you are in a job, your business, or preparing for some exam, competitive exam. Now let's see what's happening in your love life before I move forward. Some of you could be dealing with Aquarius or Capricorn Sun Moon rising, or you could have an Aquarius or Capricorn Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart. You've got the Seven of Stars and the Lovers. Singles, expect a proposal coming this week. If you are in a relationship, then your partner can also propose you for marriage. And if you are single, definitely I do see proposal. Either you want to give someone a proposal or a proposal is coming your way. I also see for singles that you have multiple options, which means that multiple proposals can come, multiple people who are interested in you can confess their feelings. But this week you will have to choose one, right? This week is also a card or a time of making a choice. Which one are you going to choose? The ball is in your court. The others who are in relationship or in a marriage, I also see that some of you are sensing a third party. And if you were thinking if there's a third party or not, this is a confirmation. Unfortunately, there is an extramarital affair that could be there, especially if you guys wanted a confirmation. This week you are going to find out the truth regarding your partner, your spouse. I also see some sort of truth will be revealed or a truth has already been revealed in the past, and this week you are going to make a decision, a choice whether to stay with this partner, forgive them, give them another chance or not, or whether to completely move on, break up from this relationship, right? Again, ball will be in your court. I do see that whether you are in a situationship, relationship, or marriage, this is a week of making choices. Choices in love, choices in relationships, stay or move on, right? And yes, this week you are going to also find some truth and some offers, some proposals, some confession is also truth that is coming your way. Big eye-opening week for you in terms of love life, and also a time of making the right choices, major decisions. So yes, a very important week for you guys. Career looks great though, but yes, for some of you, love life can be challenging. And yes, if you resonated with this reading, if you think that this is exactly what is happening in your life, then please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Remember, this was a general reading for Pisces Sun Moon Rising. If you think you have very specific questions regarding your own life, you can book a personal reading, okay, with your name only. So with your name's energy, the cards are going to reveal what is going to happen for you, and you can ask your questions and get a lot of clarity, right? Like some of you will be even stuck whether I should stay or whether I should move on. That's the whole point. That's what I want to know. Then you can book your personal reading and find your own answer. Yes, I take personal readings, I take rituals, counseling sessions, no contact readings, love readings, and I have a lot of packages available as well. Every package comes with a free remedy. I also have audio video sessions available if someone wants a one-on-one call, and I do have spiritual counseling session available where somebody who needs guidance, who need to vent, who needs a shoulder to cry on, or who needs someone who's trustworthy, right? Sharing your problems or secrets with absolute secrecy, top secrecy, then you can always come to me. How to book a reading now? That's your question. Check out the description box below. All the services are mentioned, and if you want to know the prices or book any service, you can email me or directly DM me on my Instagram handle. And guys, please follow me on Instagram also, because I keep on posting the prices on a daily basis on stories. So you won't have to separately write me for that. So please follow me on Instagram, like this video, subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.